Ready to gain qualified teacher status while teaching in your international school? Here's how. Step 1. Apply online. Make sure your school leader agrees to support you before you apply. You'll need to include their contact details in the application. Step 2. Prepare for interview. Submit a confirmation of school support form signed by your head teacher. Complete English and maths tasks and arrange a 30-minute class observation by a school leader. Step 3. Attend a 60-minute interview with your senior leader and the Tes Institute team. We'll discuss your teaching experience, pre-interview tasks, and any questions you have about the course. Step 4. After a successful interview, submit your compliance documents to confirm your place on the course. These include your degree certificate, GCSE maths results and science for primary, ENIC statement for non-UK qualifications, photo ID, and, where needed, evidence of English language proficiency. You'll also need your CV, 2 written references, a certificate of good conduct, and, if you've lived or worked in the UK for at least 7 days, an international child protection certificate. Once you're approved, you'll be ready to enroll. You'll join our online platform, Tes Learn, meet your pathway tutor, and start your induction. Ready to start? Apply now and kickstart your international teaching career today.